Color Show by Alexa. Colors to you seem like a little bit of colored light, but there is so much more to them, and I'm going to teach it all to you. Wavelengths. Red has a very long wavelength. Yellow has a long wavelength. Green has a medium wavelength. Blue has a short wavelength. And lavender has a very short wavelength. A wavelength is just the amount of space. Okay. It's just the amount of space right there. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. To understand this, you have to research a lot and know what these 12 words are and mean. There are 12 very important words when you're studying colors, which are frequency, wavelength, transmitted, absorbed, reflected, electromagnetic spectrum, microwaves, radio waves, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, and infrared. What they mean. Ultraviolet means cold colors, which are violet, blue, and yellow. Infrared means warm colors, which are red, yellow, and orange. Green is in the middle of both infrared and ultraviolet. The first video shows you what nature looks like with natural light. The second video shows you that when artificial light hits something, it is a different color compared to the video with natural light. As you can tell, in the second video, the grass looked a dark blue. That was because artificial light was hitting something while natural light was not there. Neon colors. Zadie asked why there is no neon brown. It turns out a better name for neon is fluorescent. Fluorescent colors appear unnaturally bright because they are. They have pigments which are made up of molecules which are very good at absorbing high frequency light and giving off lower frequency light, and re-emit some fraction of it in the blue. This is the principle behind those detergents that make clothes look super bright white. The answer to my question. This is how colors show. Each and every object absorbs every color except one of them. The one color that is not absorbed is reflected. Fun facts. Did you know colors can change your mood? You probably did. This is what some of the colors can do. Pink soothes the nerves, yellow makes you hungry, and blue is the most common favorite color. BC. This is more of a fun fact, but bees see different than we do. In this picture, the yellow is what we see and the white is what bees see. In this picture, the purple is what we see and the yellow is what bees see. Thanks for watching.
Why is the sky blue? Bye, Phoenix. Why is the sky blue? A sunny day appears blue because molecules from the sun scatter faster than red or orange molecules. When it's sunset, we see red and orange because the blue molecules have been scattered away from the line of sight. The sun is the white light from the sun is all the colors of the rainbow. This was proven when Isaac Newton, not that Isaac,
Oh, come on.
Genius when he used a prism to separate the three different colors and make a spectrum. That's this one here. The Tyndall effect. The first steps towards explaining the color of the sky were taken by John Tyndall in 1859. He figured out that when light goes through fluid, holding small particles in suspension. The shorter blue wavelengths are scattered through a tank of water with a little are scattered more than the red. This can be shown by shining a light through a tank of water or milk in it. Which would be a fun little project, a little experiment for home. Here's a good question. If shorter wavelengths, I forgot to mention this, if shorter wavelengths are scattered more strongly, then why isn't the sky violet, the shortest wavelength, visible wavelength? Huh, surprisingly blurry. There we go. The shortest visible wavelength. The spectrum of light from the sun is not constant at all wavelengths, and is also absorbed by the high atmosphere, so there's less violet light. Our eyes are also less sensitive to violet. That's half the answer. Yet the rainbow has a lot of indigo and violet. The rest of the answer to the rest of the question is in our eyes and our vision. Basically, our eyes have 3 types of color receptors, or code. They are called blue, red, and green, because they respond to the most to that wavelength. As they are simulated in different sizes, our sight and beacon system makes the color we see, since they're in different sizes. Why is the Mars sky red? As you've seen in pictures of the Mars sky, it always seems to be red. Images from the Viking Mars lander in 1997 and from the Pathfinder in 1977 and 1997 show that the Mars has a red sky. This is because of the iron-rich soil on Mars kicked up by recent storms. The color of the Mars sky depends on the weather, and is blue when no recent storms have happened. Only it's just a bit of a deeper blue because it has a thinner atmosphere. Maybe all of your feet. I'm not completely sure how to say that. That was the little top thing because there was no actual name for the page. Bye! Oh!